Meet Liveli Planner, your best friend for managing all of your shit. We know you have a lot going on, and you need one place to keep everything straight. That's what Liveli Planner is here for. Liveli Planner aggregates your Google and Outlook calendars in one place. With the Tickers feature, you can track items like lists and notes against your calendar, since everything we do every day revolves around time. With the Weather Ticker, you can see the weather forecast each day in your location, or somewhere else, so you can effectively plan your time and wardrobe. The Checklist Ticker helps you track anything you want to check off. You can decide what to call your checklist tickers, and you can have as many of them as you want. The Notes Ticker tracks any kind of information you want, since it's an open text field to fill with whatever your heart desires. The Reminders Ticker will do exactly what it says. Remind you of something. You can create a reminders ticker for any category of things you don't want to forget, such as general reminders. We know, real original. Birthdays or bills due. When you first open Liveli Planner, the possibilities will feel endless. Here is what we suggest you do. 1. Connect your Google and Outlook calendars. 2. Set up your default time zone and weather location. 3. Add a new event by clicking Create Event, or clicking directly on the date and time you want to schedule the event. 4. Add tickers to your calendar by clicking on the Tickers button on the side menu bar and adding tickers for whatever you want to track on your calendar. Now you are ready to use Liveli Planner. For the time being, Liveli is only available on the web, but we are working hard on the app, so you will soon have a mobile version at your fingertips. As you use the tool, let us know what you think. Your feedback on this product will be so important to us as we continue to improve the tool and ensure it's designed just for you.